and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another 15-minute healthy meal ready on your plate in no time, and it's so healthy. So I have taken inspiration from Turkish eggs, but I'm going to Indianize it. I love Turkish eggs. If I'm out and about and I find it in a restaurant, I will order them, and they are so good. And trust me, I don't think they need changing or anything, but I just want to add a bit more flavor from my head, what I think will go perfectly with that dish. So let's get cooking. It's so easy. It's going to be ready in no time. Let me get a pan out for poaching the eggs and a bowl for the yogurt, and that's really it. Cut a slice of bread. Before I start cooking, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and yeah, we can take it from there. So in one bowl, I'm going to get some boiling water. So for this, you need like really nice thick yogurt. If you are using natural yogurt, which sometimes I have at home and I use it, I always put it in a muslin cloth, put the yogurt in, squeeze out the excess water, put it on a sieve and leave it maybe overnight if you want to, but an hour and so should be fine too. But if you have good quality, not fat-free, nice Greek yogurt, then you don't need to do any of that. So that is what I have, and that is what I am using. And actually a lot of people just use the yogurt, which is what I have done in the past. And I saw Nigella Lawson's recipe and she actually warms the yogurt in a bain-marie, which is in a pan, in a bowl on top of a pan of boiling water. And I tried that, and God, it's a game changer, because you know, you're not eating nice boiling piping hot eggs with cold yogurts, and you're just having this, everything's nice and warm. So that's what I'm going to do. It's a very good tip. So what you want to do is take around, 100 gram-ish per person. Now I am going to take, this is 300 grams because I think 3 of us are eating breakfast. So I'm just going to start with 200 grams for the ease of, oops, that's my fridge. Just so for 2 people, I'm going to show you for 2 people. This is, so around 200 grams of Greek yogurt. I've got it on top of some boiling water, and I'm literally just warming it through. Obviously it's come out of the fridge. I don't want to cook it at all. I just want to warm it through. That's it. And while that is happening, I am just going to add a little pinch of salt to this. You can see it kind of starts to loosen up from here, from the bottom where it's touching the hot water. Not touching, heating up from the hot water. So what I'm going to do is, that's it. You just need to warm it up. So I'm going to leave this on this side here, and then on here I'm going to prepare the tempering. Okay, so that's water for poaching the eggs. Yogurt is now just sitting above water, warm water. This is now heating up. I am just going to get a couple of garlic cloves, like I said, for 2 people. So 2 garlic cloves. Now this garlic is the one thing you can skip. It is not like essential to the dish. I want to add it because I love garlic in butter. Like I said, that's why I wanted to make it my own way. And it was about time I added my own signature to it. So yeah, then I'm just going to thinly slice it. Okay, back to the butter. Let's add some butter in here. So I've got 2 tablespoons of butter here, exactly 2. That's 1 and that's 2. I'm just going to melt this. I'm also going to add the garlic, because I want the garlic to kind of not be raw, but I don't want it too cooked. That's it, gently. And now I'm going to add some curry leaves. Just let them release the flavor in the butter. Oh, it smells heavenly. Yogurt's done. Then I'm going to add a tiny bit of, I just bought some chili olive oil. 2 tablespoons of that. I know it's very oily and full of deliciousness. I'm going to turn this off and let it sizzle in that goodness. Okay, now like I said, I've turned this off, and then I'm just going to add some chili flakes. So you could add some bull pepper things, like a Turkish flakes as well. So that is ready, it's off, yogurt's ready. Now let's quickly poach some eggs. Just adding a literally a drop of vinegar. That. And now I'm gonna break in the egg. I'm just swirled it a little. I'm gonna give it 2 to 3 minutes. I'll keep an eye on this. Okay, and I have got some lovely sourdough to scoop it all up. So I'm just gonna get this toasted and get some butter on this. So you kind of can see when the white is done. So this has taken 2.5 minutes, and then I'm going to do one more. And all that's left to do is assemble this beauty. So once you have put it on a bain-marie, it kind of smoothens out and just becomes more free-flowing. That's my bread. There's moving going on in the background because it's the weekend. Then we've got our eggs. And then we have this just glorious butter with oil and garlic and curry leaves. Oh, the eggs are cooked to perfection. Runny, white is done. Bit of dipping in yogurt, some curry leaves and garlic. Oh, I don't know why I don't make it all often. I love them. So quick to put together. What's not to like? Okay, why am I doing this so odd? That garlic and curry leaves, magic. Absolute magic. That is egg heaven. Hope you're going to try it. Hope you have enjoyed my 15-minute healthy meals. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you back very soon for another new recipe. Bye for now.